So this week we looked at, again, in variations on handholds, and today we're looking at the double handled and the right over left crossed handhold. So first thing we did was looking at the double handled, and then we can take an underarm turn and make it something a bit more interesting. So this is kind of the basic way of getting into a hammerlock position. So I'm going to borrow right here, and I'm going to just do an underarm turn first. We have 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. All right, not too crazy. All I'm going to do this time is I'm going to hang on to this, to her hand with my right hand. So I'm going to go again, 1, 2, 3. But this time, as I turn her, I'm going to take this hand down. So we have 5, 6, 7. And we end up in what's called hammerlock position. Now, there's a lot of things we could do from hammerlock position, but we're going to go over only just one option today. One of the things to think about while you're going to hammerlock is that as the lady turns, my fingers are going to open up, and I have to allow the fingers to pivot, yes? So that as she keeps turning, we end up in this handhold, and we're not still trying to hang on to this position. This is very uncomfortable. I want to make sure to allow the fingers to pivot, yeah? So both man and lady have to open up your fingers, right? Now, once we're in this hammerlock position, we're going to do a cross-body lead. Now, cross-body is really no different than the regular cross-body lead under our class. So if I just lose that hand for a second, we have 1, 2, 3, and I got to turn 5, 7. Difference is going to be, I'm actually going to hang on to this hole. So I'm going to do again under turn. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now when I set up, 1, 2, 3. Notice I'm a lot more crowded. I have to make sure to keep that hand across her body. Yeah? Now as I step back, I can really take just the tiniest little step back. I have to guide her step forward. So with this hand, I got to make sure that I guide her that way. 5. It's going to be a very small step, and she can't go very far. 5. Then I can start turning her. 6, 7, and this hand on 1 to the end of our double hand. Again, I'm going to do it again from this angle. We have 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and we have 1, 2, 3. I got to step straight forward. 5, 6, 7. If I do the same thing, I can actually ditch the left hand and do the entire turn from the right hand, which is also another interesting variation. We have 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Yeah? So it's the exact same thing. I just kind of lost one hand, and it makes it a little bit different because the emphasis becomes here instead of here. Yeah? So that's your hammerlock. Again, there's lots of different options for this, but that's what we're looking at today. The next thing we looked at was something called a Turkish towel. It's one of the names for this. And there's also another figure that also adopts the same name, so don't get confused if you see something else of the same name. So what's going to happen is, let's talk about the guys for a second first. So we're going to do 2 actions to the feet. We have my basic, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now what we're going to do is called a jazz bar. So I'm going to step forward across my left foot, 1. Then I step back on my right foot, 2. And back and slightly slide on my left foot, 3. Then I'm going to cross behind, 5. Then slide slightly forward, 6, and forward, 7, or in this case, we probably will close 7 because of the next basic. So I'm going to do this again in this direction. So we have 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So basically, it's called a jazz bar, so it's really more like a jazz circle. Now, thinking always that I'm going around to the right, your feet will be in the right place. Yeah? The circle will be fairly small. And you'll adjust the size and shape of it to accommodate the girl, right? So, we've got that in our basics. So what's going to happen is I'm going to lead an underarm turn to right from a double handhold right over left. So, Megan, so first thing I'm going to do, I do that same underarm turn from the right to right handhold that we did last class. I'm just going to hang on to this one now. So I'm going to have 1, 2, 3. I turn her, 5, 6, 7. So I end up with the left hand over the right hand. Yes? Do it from the same. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Yeah? Now, here's my jazz box. As I do my jazz box, I'm going to guide the lady to go behind my back. 1, 2, 3. Yeah? So like a towel, I'm going to swing around behind my back. Then I'm going to step back. 5. I'm going to start turning her. 6. 7. And at the end of this, I end up with my left hand over my right hand. I'm going to do basic, head loops, whatever I want to do. Yes? Thank you. So then, ladies, what happens for us as we do another arm turn. 1, 2, 3, and he turns this. 5, 6, 7. At this point, he's going to guide me arms back. So I'm just going to do 3 walks forward in a circle. 1, 2, 3. Oops, next time. Then he's going to guide me a step forward on my left foot. 5, and I'll probably start curving a little bit, and then I'm going to have to turn over my left foot to the right. 6, 7. And again, I move my left over my right. So we put that all together. We have the Turkish Towel. And again, guys, you can change the shape depending on where the lady is, how much she kind of runs off without you, and where you put her exactly. One last thing to think about, I'm going to do it one last time, is if you're feeling crowded at the beginning of that underarm turn. So I'm going to do this with my back to the camera. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. If I feel like I'm too crowded, like I can't really step forward or to the side, what I can do is, during the underarm turn, I'm going to adjust the second half of my steps. So we have 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. I take a side step. I take a huge step to make a point, but would probably only take a step about there. And then I close 7. So now, she's off to my side. So now, as I guide her to step forward, she's got a clear path, and I can step forward across. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. The whole purpose of the jazz circle is to make sure that I'm accommodating to her so that she's not getting whipped out of her shoes. Alright? And that's it. Next week we're going to do an entire workshop on dips and drops, so come prepared.